My name is Saurabh Ganguly and I'm studying in class 9.
Can you elaborate to all of us that, what you have experienced?
It was a very magnificent experience. I am able to see all the solar system and all the planets present in it, including the sun itself. I can clearly differentiate between this and the way we study previously, like in the books or videos or any other medium. This was a really great experience, and I can clearly say that this should really be a part of our education system. It was a really great experience.